Are you searching for the best laser tube holder? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best laser tube holder in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. FONLAND CO2 Laser Tube Holder Support Mount. Flexible plastic Cloudray CO2 tube holders. Flexible dia .50 to 80 mm plastic tube support rack for 50 to 180 watt laser engraving cutting machine. About this item, one pair includes 2 pieces. Due to the laser tube is round, so the laser tube support cannot completely fit the tube. The laser tube holder only serves as a shelf. Good matching and easy assembling. Easy to install and disassemble without tools. Adjustable diameter is 50 to 80 mm. Adjustable height is 40-60 mm. Please check the size before ordering.